We are in the business of words, whether it's the spoken word, it's the written word, whatever it is. So the more that you can read, the more that you can take in the best that history has to offer in literature, movies, whatever form it is, to learn about words, because you're going to make your living with words. And you're going to take those words and you're going to put them into one form or another that develops into a format that you will pass on and you will make attractive to the audiences who experience what you create. And there's nothing more important than learning words and understanding the meaning and the sub-meaning and the contextual meaning and all of the different meanings that words have that make for an enjoyable experience for your audiences.